You know, he came through my doors as that one-time world champion, and he was just a young guy who didn't speak English that well. And after one day of working out, I was a new trainer, and we both agreed. And then about a month later, we fought for the world title against olw'ekyasa, and we knocked him out. And that was the start of the whole rise of Manny Pacquiao. You know, Pacquiao is such a nice guy. He's such a real good role model for kids and for everybody in the world. I think that's why he's so popular everywhere. Yeah, I mean, we get crowds no matter where we go for looking for Pacquiao, and it's great that the whole world gets to see him now, because the world's a lot smaller place now with new TV systems and satellites.
Right.
So, yeah, like you said, everybody can watch the fight.
Everywhere, yeah.